My fellow Americans. No, let me rephrase that. My stupid, gullible, and idiotic Americans. So you want change? The only change that you'll get out of an abomination is a change that will come out of your pockets and your wallet, out of your checking and your savings accounts, your pension plans and your IRA and other retirement and investment accounts. And your change will be dropped into the biggest bailout plate that you have ever had the glorious opportunity to contribute to without your permission. And you have the following to thank for robbing you blind. Take note: Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, Barney Frank, Chris Dodd, and none other than Barack Obama and his Acorn Group. The sky is falling, as Chicken Little would yell, and old King Henry Paulson ain't gonna save the day. And that acorn that fell on your head is no little pebble, but a giant whopper. You deserve every bit of change that you get. And if Obama is elected President of the United States, your change will go down the drain and be nevermore. You better find that deserted island and set up shop there. Good luck. Bon voyage.